let me introduce myself. My name is Aarti and this is my channel Lifeomania. Here I share my life with you. Majority time I share my skincare videos, but I also share my travel vlogs, my cooking vlogs, or whatever I can share with you guys. I share all, and that's why this is Lifeomania. So in today's video I'm going to unbox one of the brand which confused me a lot. It's all over the internet and there are so much comments, like good comment, but there are some comments and reviews which made me little confused and made me think about the brand, that should I go and try the products from this brand or not, because those comments are saying that this brand is a scam and you're not gonna get products and you're gonna waste your money. And because of those comments I was like, should I buy or I should not? But then finally I decided I need to try the brand, I need to try the product, and I have to see myself that it's a scam or it's a real deal. So finally I purchased the product and I'm very happy to say, guys, that this brand is not a scam. This is a real deal because I got my package. And now let me tell you which brand I'm talking about. The brand name is the Ayurvedic Experience. So guys, I already opened the cover because it comes from India, and you know I'm from India, so I was very excited. And also I got this bubble wrap. Now let me show you the product. So this is the kit. So this is an Ayurvedic brand, and whatever products you're gonna get from this brand, they are free from nasty chemicals, no parabens, no sulfates. Also it's cruelty free brand. So now let's open this. So I really love this, you know, all these beautiful flowers and all. The presentation is really beautiful, I must say. And when it comes to Ayurvedic brand, there is only one brand I use, which is Forest Essential, and sometimes I try to make my own products at home, which is like very time taking, but sometimes I do, only sometimes, whatever I can make. Now how to open this? Okay, I found a way to open. So this is how it looks, guys. I must say it's really beautiful. So first thing, definitely you're gonna get this card which gonna tell you about the brand here, and back side definitely about the products, what you're gonna expect or what you're gonna get in your kit. Now I'm seeing this card and it reminds me about Indian wedding cards. Back then when people are, you know, printing simpler cards, I remember that I grew up seeing these kind of wedding invitation card. Pretty simple, some information here, and then they use back also to print some other information. Pretty interesting. Now these are the products. Ta-da! I must say it's really beautiful, really pretty. I'm so happy, guys, and I'm happy because I was like, what if I'm not going to get anything from this brand, because I spent $62. So I'm happy that I finally got the products. So the first thing which I'm going to show you is this. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, is this is Kesaradi oil. This is one of their best seller oil, and this is a daytime oil. 15 ml you're gonna get. And let me open. So that's how it looks when you're gonna open. So these are travel size. Actual products gonna be different than this packaging. And if I just talk about the ingredients, every ingredient here is natural and Ayurvedic, and no mineral oil, no parabens, no chemicals, 100% natural Ayurvedic product. I would like to say if they have any kind of preservative. Okay, so far I can't see any kind of preservative, so it's 100% chemical free. I'm so excited and I will definitely try this tomorrow. Next is Manjish Glow Elixir. This is the product. This is their nighttime oil, and this is also their best seller. Look at the packaging, guys. So the same way you're gonna use this oil, but in a night time. This is how it looks. Small, pretty. So this is for night time. Next is, okay, drops of beauty flow from hair. Okay, so let me open it. I think it's a droppers. Okay, so you're gonna get the droppers also. I'm so happy to see this, because sometimes when you buy travel size oils you never get droppers or any kind of a pump. Next is this. It's a hair oil. So the oil name is Abhring Age Embrace Revitalizer. So this oil for people above 35 years of age, and I am 35 plus, so this is a perfect oil for me. You will get 30 ml, and that's how it looks. I think it's leaking inside. You can see this blackness, so definitely it's leaking, but it's okay. So warm some oil, put your thumb on the tip of your nose and extend your middle finger to the top of the head. This is the point where you should start your massage. Apply the oil throughout your scalp and then massage your head with your fingers for 15-20 minutes. So I never get this kind of information that you need to use your thumb and then nose or whatever. This is interesting. So I'm so excited to use this oil. I will definitely share my honest opinion about all these products with you soon. Next is Rukshadi Dry Hair and Scalp Nectar. Now look at the packaging, guys. So pretty. I love flowers. So cute, so cute. Inside packaging is also cute. So how to use this oil? Warm the oil by placing the bottle in hot water. Dab the oil throughout your scalp and then massage your head with your fingers for 10-15 minutes, and then you can wash your hair after 30 minutes. So the same way, but I think here is a more information about that finger and nose. So both are the hair oil basically with some different kind of benefits. I will see what it's gonna do with my scalp. Now next is Vyam Yoga Oil. This is the product, 30 ml again. So Vyam Yoga Oil, perfect for all over body and complexion enhancing, which I doubt. Sometimes I feel these kind of words are like for marketing purpose, but it's okay if it's gonna enhance your complexion. Okay, to be very honest guys, I'm not very excited about this oil, but I will definitely try. Now the last product is Balaya Black Gram Body Booster. Again, very beautiful packaging. Okay, this is a rich body massage oil for velvety skin, and this is suitable for Vata dosha, so people with Vata dosh can use this. Okay, this is the product. So it's ultra rich body oil. So this oil is you can use before bath, and if you don't want to take bath, it's also okay as per the direction. And also all the ingredients here are Ayurvedic and natural. So that's it guys. Get 7 things in this kit, and it cost you I think $78, but I paid only $62 because there was some kind of a Halloween sale, and also I got extra 15%. So I'm very happy and I'm excited to use all these products, especially the day oil and a night oil. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like, you can share, you can subscribe, you can like, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.